As a result, the Galaxy Watch 6 range will be a significant advance. We discovered a few months ago that Samsung is reintroducing rotating bezels with the Watch 6 Classic. The watch will come in two styles. The standard Watch 6, which has a curved display similar to the former Watch Active 2, and the Watch 6 Classic, which has a rotating bezel. Not only that, but both Watch 6 lineups will have smaller bezels for a more futuristic appearance. This new health function will now be available on the Galaxy Watch 6, possibly saving the lives of countless people. You see, today's smartwatch is more than simply a fashion item or a timepiece, it's a health monitor. It acts as a quiet observer, alerting us when we are too busy or too oblivious to notice possible health warning signals. Many accounts have surfaced of Apple Watches and Galaxy Watches saving lives by identifying major health issues that may have gone undiagnosed for extended periods of time. One area where the Apple Watch just outperforms the Galaxy Watch is atrial fibrillation, which the Galaxy Watch lacks. If you're not familiar with atrial fibrillation, it's a heart condition. It indicates that the upper half of your heart is not adequately pounding. Your heart normally beats in a regular rhythm, but when you have atrial fibrillation, it beats too quickly and not in a regular pattern. This might make it more difficult for your heart to circulate blood throughout your body. In essence, an abnormal heart rhythm will result in heart failure or stroke. Having the capacity to identify atrial fibrillation on a smartwatch would undoubtedly be a lifesaver, especially because atrial fibrillation may be asymptomatic or quiet, meaning you may be unaware that anything is wrong. The Apple Watch already has this capability, but the Galaxy Watch does not. But that will change with the Galaxy Watch 6, as Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy Watch 6 has just received FDA clearance for irregular heart rhythm notifications, which will keep an eye out for atrial fibrillation at all times, which will be a life-saving feature, as I've previously stated. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.